there, and welcome to the tutorial on submitting your co-curricular event reflection. So this is our Honors Canvas webpage, and to get to the co-curricular event page, you just click on the little icon here. Okay, so you can see here that President's Scholars need to attend 2 co-curricular events and have 2 reflections. One is always due by the end of the 10th week in the semester, which is October 28th for Fall 22. And the second event is due the 15th week of the semester, which is December 3rd, by the end of the day. And you're more than welcome to turn in your reflections early. And it is encouraged that you submit your reflection within 2 weeks of attending the event. It's just so the details are fresh in your mind. For Honors Achievement Scholars, you need to attend 1 event, and you're going to submit that by December 3rd at the end of the day. So these are the types of events that are approved. Keep in mind that for each academic year, you can only choose 2 events from a single category. So for example, you can choose 2 events from culture and arts, and then your 2 other events would need to come from either conferences, volunteer, academic lectures, or other. And other does need to go through me, Marie Hunsinger, the Honors Director, so please be sure to message me and let me know what you're thinking if you decide to do something that is not pre-approved. You do need to submit a proof of attendance, and this could be a ticket, a brochure, it could be a sign-in sheet if it's an event associated with the college, it could be a selfie of you at the venue, and here are the links to submit your reflections. So we don't have our events listed yet. They're still to be determined, but as those events are publicized, we will definitely update the course. Here are always approved events or venues. So you're going to want to take a look at the template. This makes it nice and easy for you to provide us what we're looking for. So you have your proof of attendance, your program, study, or major. You're going to give a brief summary, 2 or more paragraphs of the event, and a commentary, which should be about 3 or more well-developed paragraphs. And your commentary is just going to be your reflection on your experience and also how it could tie into your academic journey. All right, and we do ask you that you spend a quality amount of time and effort on these reflections. They're not automatically approved. We do look at them and grade them, and we will ask you to revise them if they are not up to our expectations. But we will let you know, we'll reach out to you and give you the opportunity to rectify and revise your paper if that's the case. Alrighty, if you have any questions at all on the co-curricular events, the reflections, feel free to email us at honors@cgc.edu. And we look forward to reading your reflections. Bye.